books every evening. He plays the guitar in a band. They visit their grandparents every Sunday. I like to drink coffee in the morning. The dog barks loudly at night. We study hard for our exams. She cooks dinner for the family. He goes to the gym every day. The sun rises in the east. They swim in the lake during summer. I watch TV after dinner. She writes in her journal daily. He drives to work. We play soccer on weekends. The cat sleeps on the couch. They travel to new places every year. I listen to music while working. She teaches math at a high school. He waters the plants every morning. We bake cookies on holidays. The birds sing in the morning. They run in the park every afternoon. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She paints beautiful landscapes. He reads the newspaper before work. We clean the house on Saturdays. The train arrives at 9 a.m. They shop for groceries on Fridays. I call my parents every weekend. She knits sweaters for winter. He takes out the trash every night. We enjoy picnics in the park. The baby cries when hungry. They ride their bikes to school. I brush my teeth twice a day. She sings in the choir. He plays chess with his friend. We go hiking in the mountains. The wind blows gently. They attend church every Sunday. I visit the library often. She dances gracefully. He fixes cars in his garage. We prepare for the festival. The river flows calmly. They chat online every evening. I meditate every morning. She sells handmade jewelry. He enjoys reading mystery novels. We love spending time together.